Welcome home. I hope you enjoy this tour of your new home. Please let us know if you have any questions or would like a private personal viewing. Diamond in the rough. Spacious home on 13+ acres, over 60% wooded. 3 bedrooms on the main level with 3 bedrooms and a large bonus room upstairs. Upstairs has additional laundry hookup. Granite counters in kitchen and laminate flooring throughout. Sold. AS IS.Buyer has 7-day inspection period upon receiving ratified contract. Buyer responsible for own title insurance. Seller will not make any repairs based on buyer's inspections. This property may qualify for seller financing. Vendee.